Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, SweetTechPlanet. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Dell Inspiron 145000 2-in-1 laptop. So, let's get started. So, recently, it was my birthday, and so as my gift, I got this laptop. This laptop is going to be primarily used for school, but I'm also going to use it to edit my YouTube videos. This is a big step up from what I currently use to edit my videos. Currently, I use a desktop that has a Core i5, 4GB of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of SSD. With that, I use a 1600 by 900 monitor. On the other hand, this has 16 gigabytes of RAM, an 8th gen Core i7, 512 gigabytes of SSD, and a touchscreen 1080p display. It runs Windows 10 and has built-in Amazon Alexa, and it also has Touch ID on the power button. So, let's get unboxing. So, this is the front of the box, and then I'm just gonna open it like this. And right on top, we have the power brick, the thing that connects to the power brick and then into the wall outlet. And then there's an opening right here. Pull that out. And then here's the laptop. It says Inspiron on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. This is the laptop. It's a 2-in-1, so you can have it like this. Here is that Touch ID. This is the full keyboard. And then here's like a list of specs. See, here it has i7 and built-in Alexa. And then there's a trackpad. Well, that's all for today. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.